Okay, welcome everyone. This is Topchioce Fx Academy, and if this is your very first time of coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and share with your friends. Alright, so now in case you have any question, you can leave us an email at Topchioce Fx Academy, or you can drop us a message on the WhatsApp number showing on the screen. Okay, now in this is the first video on beginners traders course, beginners trading course for Forex. So what you will learn in this video is you will learn what is Forex trading and how does it work. Then you learn who trades the Forex and the biggest players in the market, then why you should trade the Forex market. Okay, so let's dive into the video. So now, what is Forex trading and how does it work? What is Forex trading? Forex is a short term for foreign exchange. The foreign exchange market is one in which a nation currency is traded for that of another at a manually agreed rate. So foreign exchange, the forex market is done electronically within a network of banks 24 hours and 5 days a week. The forex market is the largest market in the world with a total $1 trillion per day and 500 billion for stocks market, for the stock market. So you see, in the foreign exchange is just as the name implies, exchange. It deals with exchange. So what are we exchanging? We exchange currency, we exchange money. We swap the United States dollar for the euro, or the Great British pounds for the United States dollar. That is Forex. So now the Forex market is done electronically. It does not have a specific location. It is done electronically within network of banks. It runs 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. So it is one of the largest markets in the world with a total $3 trillion per day and 500 billion for stocks. Now, who is a forex trader? A forex trader is simply the one who trades the forex market. Forex traders include professionals employed to trade for a financial firm or group of clients, but they also include amateur traders who trade for their own financial gain, either as a hobby or to make a living. Now, the participants of the forex market. The participants of the forex market are the central banks, the financial institutions, the hedgers, and the retail participants. Okay, forex trader is simply the person who participates in the forex market, who trades the forex market. So now we'll be looking at the participants. The central banks. The central banks are one of the most influential players in the forex. So they often that you see the central banks execute policy matters in line with the existing government's political ideologies. Yet the central bank's monetary policy generally outlines the particular country's vision for growth, how they are tackling issues like inflations and deflations, and stance on interest rates. So they play major roles in the sense that they control the interest rates, between the currencies. Yeah, so other than the central banks, the next players we have in the forex world are the financial institutions. So other than the government, along with the central banks, another major players in the forex markets is the banks and financial institutions. This is because one of the major participants in forex transactions, they are one of the major participants in forex transactions, and they are involved in foreign currency for business transactions, you get, or maybe personal use. So they are one of the core players of the interbank market. They provide the key liquidity push in the cash market. So now we'll be looking at hedgers. From bank, we will look to some of the biggest clients that these banks cater to, which is any big firm. So any big company that is doing businesses internationally or is dealing with international clients. require tackling of currency volatilities. Now, retail traders. This refers to the individual traders that trade the financial market either as a part-time job or a full-time job. Yeah, so these are just the participants of the forex market. Now we will look at the characteristics of forex trading and why you should trade forex. Minimal investment. So with a mini account of $10, unlike other businesses that requires huge amount of capital, with minimal investment, mini accounts of $10, 20, 50, 100, or maybe $500, you can start forex trading. Yes, you can start forex as a business. Then minimal time commitment. It does not require, though the forex market runs for 24 hours a day, but you can dedicate let's say 3 to 6 hours a day. It's more than sufficient. So no employee, office, or inventory. You can plan your daily trading routine around your day job. That is, if you have a job outside the forex, if you are not a full-time trader, maybe you are a part-time trader, you can plan your daily trading routine around your day job. It is recession proof. It is recession proof. Now, to succeed, you must be willing to work hard and master these professional skills. 24 hours markets gives flexibility, and you can build your business from anywhere in the world. Yes, so you see why forex is these are the major characteristics of the forex market. Now we have come to the end of the first video, and we will be able to cover all the topics of what is forex and the characteristics, the participants and the forex markets, why you should trade forex. Now, so please kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and share with your friends. Okay, we'll see you guys in the second video. Thank you.